I'm not gonna say no to money, and you shouldn't either. Okay, don't be stupid. Hey gorgeous, it's Sophia and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be very different than what I do as usual. As usual on this channel, we do fashion related videos, lookbook, lifestyle, sometimes silly videos, but today is going to be all about how I make money as a small content creator. So today we're talking about money, baby. I'm actually really excited. I love talking about money and I love talking about influencer marketing. Actually, I've been having the question a lot more lately. How do you make money, Sophia? I'm gonna tell you today. Yeah. I really hope you find something valuable in this video. If you're a small content creator yourself, aspiring content creator, or if you're just nosy, it's totally okay. So I'm gonna start right away, but before I do, make sure that you thumbs up this video if you like this type of video. Also, subscribe to this channel if it's not already done, and activate the bell, this way you don't miss any videos from me. And finally, follow me on Instagram. My name on Instagram is Sophia _. Let's start right away because this video is going to be quite long. So when I think about my different sources of income on YouTube, Instagram, and my blog, there are 4 different streams of income: Adsense, affiliated links, sponsorships, and freelance work. So we'll start with Adsense. So Adsense is, I feel, the first one that pops in people's minds when they think about revenue for YouTubers. So I feel like it's no longer a mystery like it used to be, but just in case you're not familiar with how it works, when a creator have more than 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours worth of watch time, they're eligible to have ads run in front of their videos, just like the ads you saw in front of this video. By the way, let me know in the comment section which ad was playing just before this video. I'm really curious to see which ad you saw. If you remember it, let me know in the comment section. So there's a few factors that will determine how much you make with these ads: your location, your niche, the language you speak, the age group that you're targeting, and also the month that you're posting. For example, I have a video on my channel with HelloFresh where I'm cooking, and this video has a higher CPM, so I make more money per 1,000 views than any of my other videos on my channel, which sucks. So the CPM, the cost per 1,000 views, was a lot higher on this one video than all my other videos on my channel, and honestly, it made me put a few things in consideration. I almost switched all my content to like cooking videos because I was like, what? Anyways, if you can cook, girl, boy, start a cooking channel because you're gonna make money, y'all. Okay, another factor that will change the CPM, so the cost per meal, is the month that you're posting. For example, December is a really high month with the CPM, so everyone with no exception is making more money because it's near Christmas and people are just spending a lot more. So that's the reason why all your favorite YouTubers are posting Vlogmas videos, by the way. It's not because they love you. I don't care what they say. It's not why, okay? It's not because of you. It's not for you. It's for them. It's for their pocket. So the second source of income is brand deals. So brand deals are when a PR agency or a brand contacts you so you can talk about a product or a service in exchange of money. I have a love-hate relationship with sponsorships. I love them because they kind of have this instant gratification feeling where you post something and then you get paid and you know exactly how much you're gonna get. Unlike AdSense, that is very unpredictable. At least with sponsorship, you know what you're in for, you know exactly what you're working for. And also, I feel like it's when I'm the most creative, especially on Instagram. I have a lot more sponsorship opportunities on Instagram than I have on YouTube, even though my following on Instagram is really tiny. By the way, follow me on Instagram if it's not already done, guys. Okay, I feel like it's the type of content that, yes, gives you money, but it feels the most pushy. I don't really like having a lot of sponsorship. Well, obviously, I don't get that many because obviously I'm almost nobody. But still, I don't like having too many sponsorship because I feel like after a moment you can feel a little bit like inauthentic to your followers. So I try to avoid having too many. It's not that hard. I'm saying that as if like I just received them back to back to back. I love the way I talk. Anyways, you know what I mean, okay? So the third way that I make money is with affiliation, and I feel like affiliation is seriously underrated. It is the way that I personally make the most money. It covers about 80% of my revenue on YouTube and 10% of my revenue on Instagram. I love affiliation. So how it works is that you can create a personalized link that when someone clicks on it and they buy from this link, you get a commission. So it's really interesting because I feel like it's less pushy than a sponsorship, but you still get your money. Personally, the platform that I use is Magic Links, and Magic Link holds a long list of merchants. It has all my favorite brands. It's really easy to link everything. So there are two types of links. I'm going to try to make it as simple as possible, but there's two types of links that you can create with Magic Links. So there's the first type of links that is commission-based link, and with these links what you do is you create it, you put it somewhere, and if someone clicks on it and buys something, you get a commission on the whole cart. So if I link this top, for example, and you decide to purchase it, and you decide to purchase, let's say, 10 other items, I will make a commission of all of the items that you're going to purchase that day. So if you spend $400, I'm going to make $40 if the commission rate for that merchant is 10%. Second type of link that you have on Magic Links are pay-per-click links. So if I link this top is from Boohoo, and Boohoo is a pay-per-click merchant. So if you click on the link, I automatically make 14 cents. So I'm going to link it down below. Like I said, you can click on it. Thank you very much. I'll wait. Thank you. So I really like affiliation. It's really lucrative for my niche. I do fashion videos as usual, so it's a niche that actually makes a lot of money with affiliation, and I feel like it's a way to make money for me, to monetize my channel for me, that doesn't feel as pushy and as in your face as a sponsorship. So I really like that, and also I feel like I'm still helping because I'm helping you find the same items that I'm showing. So makes me sleep really good at night. Okay, whatever. If you want to register to Magic Link, I will definitely leave a link down below so you can do so. I really like oh, it's an affiliated link, obviously. Obviously. We're talking about money, okay? I'm trying to make money here. And also, I really like the Magic Links platform because not only they offer this affiliation program, they also offer sponsorship opportunities, which is awesome. I had like 3 sponsorship opportunities with them and Boohoo in the past, and I loved it. It was really great. It was really smooth as well to work with them, and whenever you have a question, they are really efficient. You're able to talk to a real human really quickly. I see, check them out, and yeah, use my link. I never do that as usual. I'm not that annoying, I promise. So like I said, affiliation covers pretty much 80% of my income on YouTube and 10% on Instagram, and that's pretty much because I don't have the swipe up. If you have the swipe up, it's a lot easier to have to make money with affiliation on Instagram, but since I don't have the swipe up, I can't do that. When people ask me for a link for a specific item, I do send them an affiliate links, and I just tell them, hey, by the way, it's affiliated, and that's the reason why I can make a little bit of an income as well on Instagram. So the last source of income that I have personally is freelance work. So in the beginning of the year, I was writing for a website, so I was writing articles for them, and I was getting paid per article. I love doing it, but because of Rona, it had to stop. It's okay though, it's okay. But it was really fun, and it was something that still allowed me to be creative without necessarily having to be in front of the camera, so that was really fun for me. The articles were in French, okay, which is my mother tongue.
It's your first language.
My langue maternelle is not mother tongue.
That's just very good.
No! It was really fun. I love doing it, and I hope I can do it again in the future. I really like writing. It allows me to be creative, but like in another way. I didn't have to get ready. I didn't have to be in front of the camera or do my makeup. So I love writing. I think it's a great way to express myself. And again, I don't have to be cute, so I appreciate that. Another way that I personally make money is that I take product photography for small businesses. So I started doing photography because of Instagram, and I'm not too bad at it. Well, when I say I do photography, it's really not true. It's really my husband who takes the pictures, and I just guide him. As usual, he's behind the camera, and I just place everything, you know? So we do this together, and it's really great, and yeah, I've been having a lot of fun, and it's helping me be super creative as well, so I love that. And I also edit videos for other people. So I don't love editing, but also I think I hate it less than a lot of people. So I edit videos for other people, and they pay me per videos that I edit, which is great. And long, very long, but also really great, and I love doing it, and I love helping people, and I love helping someone like vision comes to life. It's really satisfying. I don't know, something really satisfying about creating something from ground up makes me happy. you know? So if you're a small content creator or if you're just starting out, I hope that this kind of gives you hope that you can make some type of money creating content. You won't be rich, okay? I'm still more like craft dinner poor than, you know, filet mignon rich, but we're making this happen, okay? There are things that I didn't talk about because I don't personally do them. You can always create like presets for pictures and sell that. You can also create ebooks. If you know something that I don't know, create an ebook and teach me. You can always offer your services on Fiverr or another website like that. That's the only one that I know, but you can offer your services on Fiverr. There's honestly so many ways to make money on the internet. You can have merch. Sky is the limit, okay? As long as you're creative, there's a way. If there's a will, there's a way, and you can be rich and we can all be rich together. If you learned something today, make sure that you thumbs up this video. Obviously, you shouldn't be creating content for money, but I'm not gonna say no to money, like, and you shouldn't either, okay? Don't be stupid. On that note, au revoir, bisous, bisous. Affiliated links. Affiliated links. About my sources of revenue. Articulate, girl. Affiliate links. I'm reading my notes, but I know these things. Okay. Those are the platforms I use. Okay.
You should slow down, actually.
Okay.
I don't know where you're running.
Because I can't say affiliated.
Yeah, but going faster doesn't help. It's just now you're just swallowing words and people can't understand.
I do get a lot more I feel like I repeated this thing so many times. It's just the beginning. Okay.